Welcome to XM.com for the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. I'm Cristina Marujos. Shares on Wall Street slipped late into the session on Monday as continued surge in new coronavirus cases across the United States unnerved investors. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite had been trading in record territory before reversing sharply lower to end the day down 2.1%. The S&P 500 also slid into the red, but the Dow Jones managed to stay in positive territory. The jitters came after California, the largest economy in the U.S., announced that it will reintroduce some lockdown measures. Nevertheless, U.S. stock futures were marginally higher today, and losses in Asia and Europe were contained as traders gear up for the Q2 earnings season. Banks will be dominating the earnings announcement on Tuesday, led by JP Morgan, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo. Delta Airlines will also be in focus as the airline industry has been brought to its knees by the pandemic. The U.S. dollar edged higher against a basket of currencies after 2 days of declines, but gold continued to hover around the $1,800 an ounce level, showing little reaction to fresh tensions between the U.S. and China. However, as the diplomatic flare-ups show no sign of abating, the two sides are still insisting that the Phase 1 trade deal remains intact, and that probably explains the muted market response to the recent frictions. In the immediate term, there are more pressing matters that are preoccupying traders, as policy decisions by the Bank of Japan and the European Central Bank, due on Wednesday and Thursday respectively, are being awaited. Second quarter GDP data from China on Thursday is also on the market's radar, as the recovery in the world's second-largest economy continues to gain traction. The data could only provide limited support to the Australian dollar, which pulled back from yesterday's highs. The loonie was under more pressure, however, as oil prices dipped on expectations that OPEC and its allies will ease the steep production cuts they had agreed following the virus crisis when they meet tomorrow. In European currencies, the euro was softer after yesterday's late rally, but the pound extended its decline following disappointing GDP data out of the UK. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at XM.com.